In order to integrate the web chat on your website, please turn to the technical contact for your website. Perhaps you also use a tag management system like Google Tag Manager. In this case, please watch the video integration into the Tag Manager. In the next step, clarify where your website is managed. Is there an agency or is it managed in-house? Have you already set up a web chat? Let's take another look at the current configuration in the Live Test tab. Of course, you can make changes to the widget at any time without having to integrate it again. Consider where on your website the web chat should be integrated. Are there several team channels that should be set up via the website? For example, everything from /product group A/ should show this web chat. A different team channel with its own code snippet should be integrated for the /career/areas. This makes it easy to implement rules for multilingual websites, different company divisions or product groups with different contact persons. By setting up your first channel, you have already added the web chat to the team. If the next channel is in the same team, all you have to do is write Add Web Chat Setup as a message, and the setup for the new widget begins. If you want to create the channel in a different team, you first have to add the web chat to this team. To do so, use the app search in Microsoft Teams. Then click on the Include tab and copy the code snippet. If you now have configured several channels, copy the respective code snippets and send them to your technical contact with your requirements, such as where which code should be integrated. Ask the technical contact person to insert the code snippets at the end of the body tag. Now just wait until the feedback from the integration is there and the web chat is ready to go.